mom and son over to cops after he confessed to breaking into a shop. Newborn boy found in abandoned house in Lime Hall, St. Catherine. A 14-year-old Kingston teen has been charged with shop-breaking and larceny after confessing his deed to his mom and being handed over to the police. The incident occurred just over a week ago on Lad Lane in Kingston. Reports from the Central Police are that about 10:30 p.m. on January 25th, the shop owner securely locked up her business place. However, the boy cut the grill and entered the premises. The police stated that a sum of cash and grocery items were stolen from the establishment. The complainant made a report to the police, who commenced an investigation. The 14-year-old boy confessed to his mother, who later handed him over to the police, where he was subsequently charged. His court date is being finalized, the police stated. A newborn boy was found on the veranda of an abandoned house in the community of Lime Hall in Guys Hill, St. Catherine. The infant, whose umbilical cord was still attached, is now at hospital being medically examined. The discovery was made about 7:30 a.m. and the police were called. A team took custody of the infant and took the newborn baby to the Linstead Hospital for medical examination. The matter is being probed by the police.